Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites: battery above 20% and your phone unlocked so changes apply immediately. Open Settings and type dark into the search bar to jump straight to theme options. This saves time versus hunting menus. If you see nothing, go to About Phone and note the Android version so you know whether System Dark Mode is supported. Once done, tap Display to begin toggling system-wide dark mode and continue to the next screen. You now enable System Dark Mode. In Display Settings, locate the Dark Theme toggle and switch it on. This changes System UI and many apps. Once enabled, swipe down for quick settings to confirm the dark tile reflects the change immediately. Tap it to toggle quickly later. If you prefer automation, set the schedule, choose sunset to sunrise or a custom time, so the phone switches automatically. This prevents manual toggling and keeps screen brightness perception comfortable during night. You finish by checking apps. Some require their own dark setting, so open problematic apps and enable dark theme in their settings. If an app won't follow System Dark Mode, make sure it's updated, then clear its cache. These steps often resolve theme mismatches. If you still see light UI, restart the phone to refresh services. As a final troubleshooting tip, reset display settings. This restores defaults without erasing personal data and usually fixes persistent dark mode issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.